एक घाट पे पिएंगे शेर और गोस्पंद, खेलेंगे बच्चे सांपों से बेखौफ व बेगजंद। यानी वो वक्त अमन का होगा न जंग का, भूलेंगे लोग मशगला तीर व तफंग का। When Masih Maud was supposed to come, the world was supposed to be full of peace. People were supposed to forget about all warfare and just live in peace and total. Snakes and children were supposed to play together. I asked you, if there is a Qadiani, they should go home and buy their children a snake for a present. You know, the next birthday present, buy them a snake. Why? Because their prophet said, their founder said, खेलेंगे बच्चे सांपों से बेखौफ व बेगजंद. And then he said, यानी वो वक्त अमन का होगा न जंग का. That will be a time of peace and no warfare. भूलेंगे लोग मशगला तीर व तफंग का. People were supposed to forget about warfare. Mirza Qadiani, he died in 1908. And you know what happened a few years after his death? 1914. First World War. Mirza Qadiani saying page 78, भूलेंगे लोग मशगला तीर व तफंग का. यानी वो वक्त अमन का होगा न जंग का. No warfare. World is supposed to be total peace. But as soon as Mirza Qadiani steps out of this world, major war, 1939, World War II, arms race, भूलेंगे लोग मशगला तीर व तफंग का. People were supposed to forget about bows and arrows, but people started investing. In fact, in most countries, the biggest part of their annual budget is defense. People spending more on developing warfare than ever. So it shows Masih Maud hasn't come. And just finally, to wrap it up, this is volume 21, page 127, to tell you what really Mirza Qadiani thought of himself. All this was a total drama and a setup and a put on. What he really deep down, even he knew what he really was. And every Muslim should learn it, and every Qadiani should learn it as well. And this is one of his shares. He goes, Kirme khaki hu mere pyare, na Adam Zad hu. Kirme khaki means insect. Na Adam Zad hu. Adam Zad means in Punjabi bande da puttar. Maulana Manzoor Chinoti Rahmatullah Alayhi used to say, these are not my words. Kirme khaki hu mere pyare, na Adam Zad hu. I don't deserve to be an insect even. And nor am I son of a man. Na main keeda, na bande da puttar. The kinda khote da puttar. Hu bashar ki jaye nafrat. He goes, I am the place of shame. Shame. Hu bashar ki jaye nafrat aur insanon ki yaar. On a human body, there are two private parts. One in the front and one in the back. Mirza Qadiani says, Hu bashar ki jaye nafrat. I am a place of shame on a human body. We leave it to the Qadianis. They can take their choice and pick whether he's the front part or the back part. This is not my share. The Qadianis, he was so humble. Because of आज ताई ऐसा भी कोई मुतवाज़े आदमी देखा हो जाए कि मैं तो बंदे दा पुत्र ही नहीं जी. Have you ever seen someone who says, I am nothing, yaar, you know, mashallah, this is all your well wishing. But Mirza Qadiani, he says, Hu kirme khaki pere pyare, na Adam Zad hu, hu bashar ki jaye nafrat aur insanon ki yaar. This man, he took the Qadianis to be fools. And he played with their emotions, with their intelligence, many Qadianis are very intelligent people. But I can guarantee you, if only they read what he's written, they will realize he was nothing but a liar. And all the prophecies he made, today we didn't have much time, but his books, 23 volumes are filled with kufr, with lies, with false prophecy after prophecy after prophecy, which all went astray and which it did not come true. But Allah guides those whom Allah wills. In spite of Abu Jahl knowing Rasulullah was the true prophet of Allah, he didn't get the tawfiq. But Mirza Qadiani, in one of his other books, he's confessed that he was planted. If I could, 1 minute baki hai? Ho chuka time. Perhaps on another occasion, if Allah wills, I'll show you Mirza Qadiani. He's confessed in his writing. He written his communication with Queen Victoria. He's confessed to having been planted by the British Empire to divide the Muslims and to deceive them and mislead them. May Allah have mercy upon us, and may Allah guide our Qadiani friends as well. Those who are searching for the truth, may Allah enlighten their hearts and lead them to the truth.